around if you like. You can come down here.
People and bags.
Perfect.
Yeah, see them? I'm waiting for some hedgehogs for this beautiful space.
Come on in.
There's one. We've got room to go
a little bit.
Hello, Piggy.
No, she found a lesser spotted newt. That's impossible. She must be making it up. Peppy, what are you doing?
However, you can't just go about studying any old poo. I've developed something called the Goldilocks test, because you need to find the just right poo. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the dung beetle! As small as he is, right at the bottom of the food chain. Yes. The curlew is calling her sweet song to you. Wrap me up in the smell of wild garlic. No more behind doors I'll be seen. The hunter reloaded his rifle, took aim and fired once more, hitting the rhinoceros right between the eyes. But as the rhinoceros fell, her sharp horn pierced the side of the hunter, and then she died.
You can wood! Oh, that is delicious. Oh, there is some more. Oh, nom, 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 nom. Oh, and some more. Oh, this, I've hit the jackpot. Nom, nom, oh, nom, nom. Oh, jump, 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 jump. Oh, no. Eating rotten leaves and compost soil is the poo that all worms squirt. From that poo, the plants all grow, as everything that you eat will know. So don't be calling my poop disgusting.
After careful analysis of our extensive data, taken over 100,000 years, we have found no evidence of mutual interaction between humans and the natural world.
Who's back to the giant tank? Are you
Listening to the birds and watching the butterflies and keep talking. And the curlew's going to fly them across the country to all the other boys and girls that we visit to pick up their nature messages as well. Will you come with me now? Thank you very much. You take this bag and we'll go to the curlew.
Let's go, there's a lot of carbon. Let's go, that isn't made of